Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here is a rear wheel, which we believe is from a 2000 to 2006 FXST, maybe a Dyna, maybe a Sportster, like 2003 or something. Got my cheat sheet here. We believe it does fit a Sportster 2000 and 2003. Okay, this is a genuine Harley wheel. It's not chrome, this is polished. So you can maintain this, it's never going to flake. Got a few marks here and there, where, from the sprocket or the disc or whatever. So anyway, I'm going to spin it for you. Now this is genuine Harley, and I think it's an Italian rim. I'm not sure, but I think that's where they made these. This is top quality stuff. Pretty nice shape. Be good for a rider. So we just thought we'd show you how it spins. Nice wheel. Okay, well, thanks for looking at our stuff.